These are probably the most well-built IEMs I've tested in this price. They are the famous Moondrop Chu II. I've been meaning to try these for a very long time and I'm glad I finally did. Because in my opinion, these would be the go-to choice for beginners. Because these are pretty much my new favorites. They're quite similar to the Tangzu Vanner, except they are a slight upgrade. Let's talk about these, starting from the unboxing. Now I still believe the Vanner SG has the best presentation, but these are a close second. They even come with this leather-like carrying pouch, which I thought was a nice touch. It's probably fake leather or something, but who cares, it's a nice thing. The cable is nothing remarkable, it's okay, kinda reminds me of the KZ cables, but it's something to get you started, which is fine. But the earphones themselves are super nice. They have this brush metal finish and they feel solid. And the size itself is much smaller than most IEMs, so if you have small ears with shallow ear canals, these should still fit you. These are a stark contrast compared to something like the KZ Caster. That's a pretty tall earphone. It goes pretty deep into your ear canal, and if you don't lock it in place, it'll stick out quite a bit. Not something that this would do. That's an issue this doesn't have. The sound itself is remarkably similar to the Tangzu Vanner, the classic version, not the studio one. It has nice bass, but it's tighter and slightly stronger than the Vanner. It's noticeable, but it doesn't approach the mid-range as much. I like that. The top end is good, I'm satisfied, but KZ still has slightly better, sharper top end. They are known for that. Personally, I don't mind it. I'm a little sensitive to sharp top end, but just letting you know, in case you like that crispiness in treble, you might feel that it's a little bit down with this one. But you can easily bring it up with an equalizer, so it's not a huge deal. So sound-wise, these have better bass than the Vanner and noticeably better mid-range than the Blonde BL03, which makes these my go-to choice for music. I would still pick the Vanner Studio Edition for actual audio monitoring because it's more flat, but this one's better for music. In case you plan on gaming, get the DSP version with a Type-C port and a microphone. This doesn't have one. I still think KZ earphones are better for gaming because of the sharper top end, but these will still work. So yeah, I get why these are hyped so much. They are actually really good. If you haven't purchased an IEM till now and you have this budget, I highly recommend you check these out. Or if you're considering getting the Blonde BL03 or the Vanner Classic, look at this one first. Because like I said, it's an upgrade over those. I wish this cable was a little bit better because the Blonde BL03 has better cables. Even the Tangzu Vanner actually has stronger cables than this one. But the earphone itself is solid.